Welcome back. Art has no boundaries और इसका greatest example है films and who better than Deepa Mehta जिन्होंने the internationally acclaimed films जैसे Earth, Fire, Water और अब Midnight's Children बनाई हैं once again with Indian actors. Welcome to the show Deepa and Shahana.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Deepa, Midnight's Children.
जी.
What is it all about और आपने यही subject क्यों choose किया?
Because किताब में there are a lot of devices या plot points which are completely Bollywood.
Right.
I think it was earlier today I was talking to Salman and pulling his leg and I said, Salman, when the amma or Aya exchanges the babies, I felt it was a Manmohan Desai film. so बिल्कुल Shahana, it's a real Manmohan Desai moment. Your story is about India after partition.
लेकिन ये एक आपने फिर से काफ़ी सेंसिटिव इशू पर फिल्म बनाई है तो क्या कोई apprehensions थी when you selected this subject?
Not at all, because I think that people must know that the book has been around for 30 years. So nothing has happened for 30 years. तो किताब को कुछ नहीं हुआ तो फिल्म को क्यों होगा?
Absolutely. So Shahana, what was your experience like working with Deepa and how did this film happen?
It's one of those moments which like मेरे ख्याल से मेरी ज़िंदगी के ज़्यादातर मोमेंट्स ही इस तरह से बिल्कुल अनएक्सपेक्टेडली आते हैं तो उसी तरह मुझे एक बार अनएक्सपेक्टेडली आउट ऑफ द ब्लू फ़ोन आया कि दीपा मेहता और सलमान रश्दी आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं फॉर दिस फिल्म तो मैं उस मोमेंट पर ही आई थॉट कि बस अगर इसके आगे कुछ नहीं भी हो तो मेरी लाइफ बन चुकी है कि वो मुझे जानते हैं उसके आगे Then I met them and I had the most beautiful afternoon. I never forget that afternoon.
We had a lovely time, huh?
We met at a small, there was a small coffee shop that at the place they were staying और वहाँ पे हमने, ढलती धूप में talking about all kinds of things,
Right.
from the book, starting with the character in the book, but then going into talking about life and so many other things. तो उसके बाद जब मुझे actually पता चला that I was selected for the thing, I always say this that I was literally वो moment जो फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं ना, वो कि phone पे कोई मुझे बता रहे हैं कि अच्छा she would like you to play this part and I was jumping and I was like, yes, of course, I was completely like that.
Yeah, it really sounds like a nice story there too. बहुत से Indian actors को inherent obsession है with doing an international project. Any Indian actor, mainstream actor or actress that you really want to work with?
I would die to work with Shah Rukh Khan. I am a die-hard, जैसे कहते हैं ना, Shah Rukh Khan fan. So this is for the world to hear. And maybe if he sees this, he'll say, okay, Deepa, let's work together. But I would really love to work with him. I wanted to work with Amir and I have worked with him and that was superb.
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि Indian actors जो mainstream actors हैं who are doing really well for themselves उन्हें approach करना आसान है? Do you think it's easy?
I think so. I mean, I don't think it's that
How easy
difficult.
do you think it is to work with them?
It was, I mean, I haven't worked with many of them, but the ones जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया है, it's been very easy. I mean, I worked with, like I said, Shabana. I mean, it was at the height of her, and it was superb. I worked with Amir, and it was wonderful because he's, he is very serious. He's a serious actor, and that is a joy for a director.
Absolutely.
And also he's an actor who takes direction very well. I worked with Preeti Zinta about 4 or 5 years ago, and that was wonderful too. She was again did her homework, and so जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया है, haven't been many of them. It's been wonderful.
Nice to know that. और आपको काफी टाइम मतलब बहुत टाइम आपको मीरा नायर के साथ कंपेयर किया जाता है. So what do you have to say about that? Let's clear that too.
But absolutely. I mean, but you have to understand that many times Meera's compared to me.
Yeah.
Right.
So both of us always. I know her very well, and she's a friend. So we were laughing about it, and I was saying that my experience, Meera, was that somebody came up to me and said, "Can I have your autograph? I love the namesake." So and she says, "What did you do?" I said, "I gave the autograph." So I wrote Meera Nair, and she said, "What happened to me was that I was walking into an elevator and somebody came running after me and said, wait a minute, I love your work, you're Deepa Mehta." So she said, this happens all the time.
Yeah.
So I think it has nothing to do with people confusing our work, but it has a lot to do with the two women directors, दोनों बाहर रहती हैं, though we are both about the same age, we make international art films, so उसमें confusion हो जाती है.
क्रिटिकल और कमर्शियल अक्लेम में आपके लिए क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है?
Both. I mean, it's wonderful if you have both of them. You know, a film like Water even, or Midnight's Children is going to belong to जो कह रहे थे आज 100 crore club. I mean, that's the reality of it. So there's no expectations.
Let's not forget that yes, it's a business, but at the end of the day, it's an art form. और उसमें एक subjectivity है. Subjectivity means कि कोई judgment नहीं हो सकता. It cannot be definitely bad or definitely good.
और हमने अभी बात की 100 crore club के बारे में.
जी.
But what do you think about Bollywood's quality of cinema?
I think the quality of Bollywood cinema is excellent. I mean, technically it's just superb. But 2 weeks ago, I saw a film called Talash. They have captured the brothels and the sets are superb. I'm a big fan of commercial cinema. I mean, and I'm talking about a film John Semene Dekhi called Dabang, #1 or whatever.
The first one.
I loved it. I had Chulbul Pandey. I thought it was amazing.
Do you even remember the name?
I thought he was just fabulous.
Yeah,
Entertainment
sometimes it's just about
and
entertainment.
bindas. You know, it's fun.
All right, guys, thank you so much for being with
Thank
us
you,
and all the
thank
best for your
you.
film.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.